trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. Diapers on my head. Diapers on my head. A nigga go down south. Diapers on my mouth. A nigga go down south. Diapers on my mouth. A nigga go down south. Diapers on my mouth. Diapers on my mouth. Diapers on my mouth. Mad Black Shepherd, we back, y'all. Still on lockdown. You see, I got my diapers on my head and my mouth and shit. Okay? But today, we're gonna do one of old Mad Black's favorite dish I eat about twice a week. Salmon tacos, baby. You hear me? I'll stay on lockdown for this shit. Let's get it started. You hear me? Now you see, I got a plate full of salmon right here. And the salmon is always jamming. I like to do the skin side too. All right, now let me go and season them up real quick here. A little seasoned salt, some pepper, turn them over here. Always cook with the skin side down, get the skin crispy, you hear me? Yeah, love some crispy skin. Cause even when I lose, I win. That's right, even when I lose, I win, boy. Both sides here. Salmon tacos today, y'all. For breakfast, you hear me? Or brunch, whatever you want to call it. It's almost noon here. All right. Season. Let's drop it in the skillet. Yeah. Oh man, may not be enough room in it, baby. Come get a tight shot of this camera, girl. Let them in your camera world. All right, now, y'all. I'm gonna cook this salmon on down here, and I'm gonna cook my shells on the flat top we got right here, y'all. So we're gonna come on back right when the salmon's almost done and the shell's almost done, and we're gonna plate them all up and eat them, you hear me? We're gonna go out like this, y'all. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. Diapers on my head. Diapers on my head. A nigga go down south. Diapers on my mouth. A nigga go down south, diapers on my mouth. A nigga go down south, diapers on my mouth, diapers on my mouth, diapers on my mouth. Man, that shit could be right on back here. Ow! Burn me like James Brown. Ever be the same. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. A nigga trying to get fed. Diapers on my head. Diapers on my head. Diapers on my head. The salmon is ready. All right, now. Look at that. the shells here on the flat top, you hear me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd say they about done. Yeah. Cut that off there. All right now. It's gonna be some good eating right here. Okay, this is how I like to do mine. Hold on a second here. This is how I like to do mine. Let me get a nice piece right here. Get me a nice strip of salmon. Oh, it's hot too, baby. Woo! Look at that. Cooked to perfection. Oh. Yeah. Ow! Burn a nigga up. All right. Then I like to put a lemon juice on mine. Splash it with that. Then we go and put it on our tacos here. Look at that. Big old piece of skin. That's gonna be a crispy one right there. You know what? I'm gonna get me another piece of one right here and add on to it. There you go. Give me another piece right there. All right now. Look at that. Oh. Mask off. You take your mask off. All right now. We got our green onions here. Mad Black Chef. Salmon Tacos. Blue top. Street sauce, baby. Top them off with this. Look at that. Get it close up at that dead camper girl. Yeah, salmon tacos, baby. You better shake your maracas. And old Mad Black hungry as hell. Let's see how they taste here. That is damn good. Salmon taco. Green onions. Blue top street sauce. You motherfuckers know the sauce is the boss. That's a damn good eating right here. I got a bunch left too. This is what it should be like when you're on lockdown. Eating good food. Feeling looking good. Alright, y'all. We're gonna come back next week with some more good vittles. And I'll make up some new riddles, you hear me? But today it's gonna be a nigga go down south. Diapers on my mouth. A nigga go down south. Diapers on my mouth. A nigga go down south. Diapers on my mouth. Diapers on my mouth. Diapers on my mouth. Mad Black Chef will be right on back next week, y'all, with some more good cooking. me no more. Mama, please. I'll be good boy.